The CCM 355E chop saw, 2300 watts powerful motor for heavy duty applications. Double insulated aluminium motor housing gives safety and more lifespan. With spindle lock, easy and quick change of wheel saves time. Ergonomically designed handle provides a more comfortable holding, reduces fatigue and increases productivity. Quick lock vise allows for fast clamping on different sizes of materials to increase productivity. 45-degree pivot setting, fast and accurate angle cuts. Maximum cutting size 114 mm for round or square profile. CUMI build, tough inside out.